Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to CertBros. In this video, we're going to be talking about computer networks. Okay, so what is a computer network? Well, first, let's break it down. What is a network? The definition of a network is a group or system of interconnected people or things. So, it would be fair to say a computer network would be a group or system of interconnected computers, right? And that's exactly what it is. A computer network is anything where more than one computer is connected to each other. Traditionally, a computer network would consist of desktop computers, servers, printers, etc. But these days we live in a connected world. We still have desktops, servers, printers, but we now have a vast number of smart devices connected to our networks as well. Most of you will have a mobile phone, maybe a tablet, security cameras, even smart lights are found on networks these days. And the list really does go on and on. So let's take a look at some basic networks and we can see what they look like. First, one that should be familiar to most of you. Here we have a switch, a router, a wireless access point, a desktop, and a phone, all connected to the same network. This is a pretty common home setup. It's worth noting that in most home networks, the switch and wireless access point will be built into the router. Generally speaking, any network in a single area is called a local area network, or LAN. The LAN is usually connected to the outside world using a socket in the wall that your internet service provider has installed. This socket connects you to something called the wide area network, or WAN. The purpose of a WAN is to connect separate local area networks together. The most obvious example of a WAN would be the internet. However, businesses might have private WANs to connect multiple sites together. So now let's look at a more business type network. So we have all of our office computers, and these would usually plug into a wall or floor socket. And these sockets will have cables either running through the floor or the ceiling back to a special room called a wiring closet. This room might also be called a patch room or a server room. In the wiring closet, all of these devices will connect to a stack of switches which are mounted onto racks.